So today I'm going to show you the Doqo Maglev keyboard for the Samsung Tab 10.9 and 11 inch. It's a magnetic keyboard case that turns literally your tablet into a laptop-ish kind of scenario. In the box, you basically just get the tablet keyboard case and then the user manual and then some information card for it. It charges via USB-C on the side right here. As you can see, it charges via USB-C and charges pretty much quickly. And the case is made of a PU material with a smooth and soft texture, which makes it good to feel and move around from day to day. It also has the camera hole and the S Pen latch on the back here so that you don't lose your S Pen whenever you're on the go, which I think really comes in nice and handy. The keyboard itself is not detachable from the case, but it connects to your tablet via Bluetooth, and the keyboard is pretty nice and good. It has a scissor key kind of construction, which makes it really super nice, reducing key travel, and then just makes the typing experience really super duper nice to go from day to day. I've been using this for a couple of days now, and I think it's really nice. It also features a multi-touch trackpad, which you can use gesture controls to swipe through on your tablet and get through your daily tasks just as normally as you would. If you have your tablet in index mode, it even makes the experience a whole lot more better, especially if you're connected to an external monitor. To use the keyboard case, you just simply need to place your tablet on the magnetic strip right here, just like the name magnetic levitation keyboard cover. That is what it does. So it levitates your tablet magnetically and then you attach. Pretty nice and easy. It's pretty strong for holding the tablet in place, securely in place from time to time, and then of course you get it and move on the go, and then you're just pretty nice and good. Looks pretty much like a book if you're holding it this way, and I think that is really something that is super nice. And remember, the Samsung S Pen charges both ways when placed on the back of the Samsung Tab S9, which I think is really super nice. So I've taken this on the road and it looks pretty nice for what it offers. This is what it looks like if you are to place it in the mode, and the levitation cover right here goes to up to about 125 degrees, which I think is super nice, giving you a nice viewing angle and typing position when you're on the go. Once you have the Bluetooth setup complete by pairing, once you turn on the keyboard, it starts controlling your tablet as much as you want it to do. You can go and navigate and find general information and just use your tablet as normally as you would. But in this case, giving you a much nicer typing experience from day to day on your tablet. The keyboard has some nice features that makes it convenient and functional. For example, you can use the function key to go through the various RGB colors, so red, green, blue, white, purple, and all that. For me, I just prefer to have it in the white mode. And of course, the keyboard cover also supports the touch controls and the gestures you normally give on a normal tablet from day to day, pinching, scrolling, zooming, tapping, and all sorts. You can also use the S Pen with the keyboard using, just detach it, and then it doesn't matter if you have the keyboard connected or not, you can still use your S Pen as normally as you would. The magnetic design is very innovative and convenient, and it makes it easy to attach and detach your tablet from the keyboard. And it also provides a stable and adjustable stand for the tablet once you're ready to start using it. The keyboard is comfortable and quiet to type on really. The keys have good size and spacing, and they have nice tactile feedback. The customizable RGB lights is something that is a nice touch to it also, that allows you to see the keys clearly in the dark. The trackpad is a great addition as it gives you more control and navigation options for the tablet. It works well with the Samsung Tab's features and apps from day to day as you start using it. It also supports, of course, multi-touch gestures. The keyboard case is compatible with the Samsung S Pen and with a slot on the back that holds and charges the pen in case. That is something I think that is very convenient for me from day to day. So I don't have to worry about losing my S Pen, because of course I have lots of pen hanging around and I tend to lose them. So that latch at the back really comes in handy for me, and I can't like it enough. Another thing I like about the keyboard case is that it's sleek and stylish, and it matches the look and feel of the Samsung Galaxy Tab itself, giving it sort of the blend into the ecosystem, and it adds, of course, protection and more functionality to the tablet without adding too much bulk or weight to it. Coming in at about £99, you get 10% off if you use the Dara or Ladapo coupon code showing right now on your screen, or use the link in the video description and also pin comment. I think it's a good price for the features and specs the keyboard case actually packs. Now, for a general review and rating of the keyboard, overall, I think the Doqo Maglev Keyboard Case is a good keyboard case, 100%, because it offers a lot of features and functionality and enables you to turn your tablet basically into a laptop and gives you comfortable and convenient typing and navigation experience on your tablet. Because, of course, it also works well with the Samsung S Pen, and it has a magnetic design that is easy to adjust and just gives you on-the-go move right out of the bat. Now, I'll give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5. To be honest, that is what I'll give it. 4.5 star out of 5 is the rating I'll give it, because it's really convenient to use and it doesn't give so much stress of usage from time to time. I've taken this on the go and I think I really like it so much. And please note, Doqo is not paying me to make this video for them. Money did not exchange hands. I got this with my own money and I'm just telling you my general opinion about it. So it's something that I just want to share out there. That's it for this video, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget review videos like this one. If you have any questions or comments about the Doqo Maglev keyboard for the Samsung Tab, please leave them below in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. I'll see you again in the next video. Stay safe and goodbye.